Welcome to week 8. We're going to be talking about persuasion this week. We're going to look at the two different routes of persuasion. We're going to be looking at different elements of persuasion, including the source or the person trying to persuade. We're going to be looking at the content of the message, and then we're going to look at audience characteristics. We're also going to be taking a look at some of the more effective methods of persuasion as well as resistance to persuasion. And I also wanted to let the class know I just got through grading the discussions for week 6, where you submitted your topic proposals to each other and gave each other ideas. And I just want to say it was fun to read, and a lot of you had some real good suggestions for each other for ways and means to approach your research. And I noticed also that some of you commented that you look forward to reading the other person's paper. I hadn't planned on having you submit the papers to each other, but I do plan on having you later in the semester submit your presentations to each other as a discussion. So there will be a lot of more sharing of ideas there to look forward to, more in a presentation form rather than a paper format. So thanks for listening, and I will move through the week, and I'll get busy doing my lectures for persuasion. One more thing I wanted to mention, I checked last week on the link for the early evaluations that I asked you to respond to, and at that time no one had responded, so I just wanted to remind you about that, and I'll post the link in the news item with this as well. So if you could give me some feedback, I really am hungry for feedback for how I'm doing with the class, and it is totally anonymous, and it would really might even help me, sharpen my skills so that you can benefit from it, not just future students. Thank you so much.